today we're going to show you how to seal waterfall rock. So we have our weir stone here. The customer wanted a nice sheet waterfall. So we have this nice and level, and we have our two framing boulders right here and right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this Aquascape Professional waterfall foam sealant. I'm going to lay a nice bead of foam along the bottom of this before we backfill. So now that we got a nice bead of foam along our weir stone and our two framing rocks, we're going to fold the liner and the underlayment back over and backfill to just below the weir stone, and it's going to give us a really nice seal. It's not going to be completely watertight, but it's going to make the most of the water go over top of the waterfall. Hold up right there. It's important to keep this liner tight. Make sure you have as little folds as possible, and that way you don't have any weird wrinkles that take up some liner. When you get to the top of your waterfall, you realize you don't have enough. So we'll keep that nice and tight. Bring back the underlayment all the way to our weir stone, and Chinte is going to dump some dirt. If you have any sticks or stones, you want to get that out, because the sticks are going to decay and that could cause settling later, and the stones could cause a hole in the liner if you have a pinch. This is our weir stone. We want to make sure that we're just a couple inches below the top of the weir stone. That way we have room for our gravel, and the gravel is not going to wash down our waterfall. So now let's fold back the liner and see what we got. As you can see, it's nice and tight against this weir stone, and there's foam in that crack. So with the foam and the dirt, it's going to be pretty solid. There's no water that's going to be coming in and underneath this weir stone. And along here, the same thing. You can see the foam is solid. So we're going to fill this in with some gravel, and we're going to be good to go. I'll show you the importance of backfilling this to just below the top of our weir stone. So when the water comes off here and falls down, it's going to have a little pool area, and this gravel is going to stay here and not get washed down because of the way we backfilled against this weir stone. So I'll kind of show you this whole way. You can see, since we foamed it and backfilled against this weir stone, this water, there's no place for it to go except for up and over top of the weir stone, which is exactly what we want. And since we didn't backfill all the way to the top of our weir stone, it's going to be able to hold our gravel even with the flow of the water. It's going to prevent it from flowing over the edge, and this area is always going to be covered, and you're not going to see any of the man-made parts. So that's how you seal a waterfall rock. Now let's get this thing started.